Spring and fall are the best times to perform roof shingle repairs because mild temperatures improve shingle flexibility and adhesive sealing without the risks of extreme heat or freezing conditions. For asphalt shingle work plan repairs, when daytime temperatures are consistently between 40 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which keeps shingles pliable and sealant tacky enough to form reliable bonds. Start with a careful roof inspection after the last hard freeze or before the first heavy freeze, looking for curled, cracked, or missing shingles and checking flashings and underlayment for exposure. Use a flat pry bar to lift damaged shingles gently and remove nails without tearing surrounding material. Then slide replacement shingles into place so their tabs align and secure with galvanized roofing nails placed just above the adhesive strip. Apply roofing cement sparingly under lifted tabs and along flashings when temperatures are cool to avoid runoff or failure, and press firmly to create a good contact patch. Allow the sealant to set for the time recommended by the manufacturer before expecting full adhesion. For large areas, consider staging work over several dry days to let adhesive cure properly between passes, and always check local wind forecasts because high winds during or immediately after work can prevent proper bonding. If you are unsure about the condition of the underlying sheathing, probe suspicious areas for soft spots and address rot with replacement plywood before re-shingling to avoid trapping moisture under new material. Wear slip-resistant footwear and use secure fall protection. And if you cannot safely access the roof, hire a professional to avoid accidents that will cost far more than planned repairs. Common mistakes include attempting repairs in cold or wet weather, which prevents shingles from sealing properly and leads to premature leaks. The short fix is to use temporary roof patches such as underlayment and roofing cement, and then plan a permanent repair in spring or fall. Another frequent issue is overdriving nails or placing them too high, which causes shingles to split or not lie flat. Correct this by using the proper nail length and placement just above the adhesive strip, and replace any split shingles rather than trying to patch them. Homeowners also often miss underlying rot or damaged flashing, which undermines any new shingle work. Probe suspect areas and remove and replace compromised decking and damaged flashing before shingling to ensure a long-lasting repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work through project listings and community engagement. We host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and get practical advice on seasonal timing and repair techniques.